Hello, welcome to English reading on vitamin A. I am Muhammad Nur Alam, lecturer English, Polish Lunch School and College Rangpur. Contact number 01719463582. YouTube channel's name is MD Nur Alam PLSCR. Dear students, I'd like to tell you, I made this video for you just to make you understand and just to make you conscious about how to read on science. So let's go for the topic vitamin A. Today our English reading lesson is chapter 45, vitamin A, deficiencies and excess. The writer is Maija H. Jill. Overview of vitamins. Overview of vitamins. Vitamins are essential organic compounds that are required in very small amounts, micronutrients, and are involved in fundamental functions in the body, such as growth, maintenance of health, and metabolism. A vitamin can have several functions. Because our bodies cannot biosynthesize vitamins, vitamins must be supplied by the diet or as supplements. The dietary reference intakes DRIs for infants and children are summarized in table 41 to 5. Vitamins are not chemically similar. Based on their chemical properties, they are classified as either water-soluble or fat-soluble. These two groups are handled differently by the body. The water-soluble vitamins, except vitamin C, are members of the B complex. Overview of vitamins. Deficiency states in developed countries are rare, except in some impoverished populations, chapter 43, or after mistakes in food preparation or with fat diets, but they are common in many developing countries and are often associated with global malnutrition, chapter 43. In the clinical setting, vitamin deficiencies can also occur as complications in children with various chronic disorders or diseases. Information obtained in the medical history related to dietary habits can be important in identifying the possibility of such nutritional problems. Except for vitamin A, toxicity from excess intake of vitamins is rare. The food sources, functions, and deficiency and excess symptoms of the vitamins are summarized in tables 45.1 and 48.1. Vitamin A. Vitamin A is an essential micronutrient because it cannot be biogenerated de novo by animals. It must be obtained from plants in the form of provitamin A carotenoids, alpha, beta, and gamma carotenes, and beta cryptoxanthin. These substances can be converted to vitamin A compounds in the body. The term vitamin A refers to all trans-retinol, the alcohol form of the vitamin. The storage form of vitamin A is retinyl palmitate. The aldehyde form of vitamin A is retinol and functions in vision. The physiologically most important vitamin A metabolite is the acid derivative, retinoic acid. Retinoic acid functions at the gene level as a ligand for specific nuclear transcription factors that regulate many genes involved in the developed fundamental biologic activities of the cell. The term retinoids includes both natural and synthetic compounds with vitamin A activity and is most often used in the context of vitamin A action at the gene level. Absorption, শোষণ, transport, পরিবহন, metabolism, বিপাক, storage, জমা. The body acquires vitamin A either as preformed vitamin A, usually as esters, or as provitamin A carotenoids. In the USA, grains and vegetables supply approximately 55% and dairy and meat products supply approximately 30% of vitamin A intake from food. Vitamin A and the provitamins A are fat soluble and their absorption depends on the presence of adequate lipid and protein within the meal. Chronic intestinal disorders or lipid malabsorption syndromes can result in vitamin A deficiency. Ingested and absorbed provitamins A are bioconverted to vitamin A molecules in the small intestine by the carotene cleavage enzyme dioxygenase. Beta carotene provides twice the vitamin A activity of the other provitamins A. Absorption, transport, metabolism, storage, শোষণ, পরিবহন, বিপাক, জমা. Further processing in the enterocytes involves the esterification of vitamin A to retinyl palmitate for incorporation into chylomicrons, which are released into lymph and transported via the circulation to the liver for storage or to other tissues. The vitamin A content in the liver is low at birth, but it increases 60-fold during the first 6 months of life. If the growing child has a well-balanced diet and obtains vitamin A from foods that are rich in vitamin A or provitamin A, see table 45.1. The risk for vitamin A deficiency is small. However, even subclinical vitamin A deficiency can have serious consequences. Absorption, transport, metabolism, storage. শোষণ, পরিবহন, বিপাক, জমা. Stored vitamin A is released from the liver into the circulation as retinol bound to its specific transport protein, retinol binding protein RBP, which binds to the thyroid hormone transport protein transthyretin. This complex delivers retinol as well as the thyroid hormone to tissues. Normal plasma levels of retinol are 20 to 50 microgram per dl in infants and 30 to 225 microgram per dl in older children and adults. Unclipped provitamin A carotenoids in the intestine are also incorporated into chylomicrons and delivered to various tissues. Malnutrition, particularly protein deficiency, can cause vitamin A deficiency by the impaired synthesis of retinol transport protein. However, if dietary vitamin A is provided in the absence of RBP, vitamin A is transported to the tissues via chylomicrons and almost completely alleviates the symptoms of vitamin A deficiency. In developing countries, subclinical or clinical zinc deficiency can increase the risk of vitamin A deficiency. There is also some evidence of marginal zinc intakes in children in the USA. Thank you very much. ধন্যবাদ. Assignment. Translate the overview of vitamins into Bangla, slide 2 and 3. অর্থাৎ slide 2 এবং 3 overview of vitamins বা ভিটামিন সম্বন্ধে আলোচনাটা বাংলা ট্রান্সলেশন করো. Learn the unknown words from a good dictionary like Bangla Academy English to Bengali Dictionary. বাংলা একাডেমির ইংলিশ টু বেঙ্গলি ডিকশনারির মতো ভালো ডিকশনারি থেকে অজানা ওয়ার্ডগুলো শিখে নাও. Once again, thank you very much.